Ayman from India. He has a problem, and his problem is overthinking. So a guy comes to me, he's like 25 years of age. Sheikh, I don't want to get married. Why? Because if I get married, I'm going to fall in love with my wife, and we're going to have children, and then my wife may cheat on me, and that would break my heart, and I might be suicidal, and I might kill myself and end up in hell. Whoa, what is this, Bollywood? Who made this movie, Akhi? He said, this is what I fear. Why do you think so negatively of Allah? Everything is in Allah's hands. Why don't you flip it and think positively and say, I want to get married because I want to get married to a righteous woman who would bring comfort and tranquility to my home and house and bring me lots of good righteous children who will be imams of Islam and women who would be teachers of Quran, and they will live and carry my name with honor and dignity, blah, blah, blah. Why do you look at the dark side rather than the good things that can happen? Because you think negatively of Allah. When you say to me that I am afraid that if I become a student of knowledge, I will adopt the opinion that says alcohol is najis and I will avoid shampoos and soaps and the rest of that. Okay? If you're a student of knowledge, you should come to the conclusion which pleases Allah. You don't want to please Allah. You want to please yourself. So I don't want to become a student of knowledge so that I would not think that these things are impure and hence not use them. What Allah thinks, it doesn't matter to me. What's halal and haram, it doesn't matter to me. This is a serious breach of thinking, which lots of the Muslims may have if they don't consult elders, people of knowledge, scholars, or wise people in their own family. Go and talk to your father, to your grandfather. He would help you open your eyes to see what's right and what's wrong. And Allah knows best.